Hello everyone, today I will be discussing about how to write the electronic configuration of the elements with the atomic number till 30, means 1 to 30. So this will be a short trick to write the electronic configuration of the elements from 1 to 30, that means with the atomic number 1 to 30. Now those who are arrived new in class 11, for them this video will be going to very interesting. Okay, so now I'll be writing here one series that how to fill up the electrons into the orbitals. Now in class 11 we'll be going to I'll be discussing in another video that there is as we have learnt in class 10 that the electrons will be there in the orbits K, L, M and all. But now there are some regions are there in the orbits which are called orbitals. There the electrons are there. So electrons will be filling up in the orbitals, not in the orbits. Okay, so I'll be writing a series of the orbitals, how we can fill up the electrons. Okay, starting with this. So we have to remember just this one, the electronic configuration, that this 1s is the orbital which can have maximum of 2 electrons. Okay, so this is 1s2. Next is that 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. So we have to fill up the electrons according to this way. That means 1s orbital will be filled up first, then the electrons will go to the 2s orbital. Again 2s orbital will be filled up first, that means 2 electrons can be there maximum in 2s orbital, then the 2p orbital. So like this it will go. Okay, so after filling up till 3p, we have to fill up the electrons in the 4s orbital first, then the 3d orbital. Why? Because this is the series of the orbitals according to their energy. Like the lower energetic orbital will be filled up first, then the electrons will go to the higher energetic orbital. Okay, so we'll be discussing in another video that why this 4s orbital will be filled up first, then the electrons will go to the 3d orbital. Okay, so this will be like this 3d10, then you can go with the 4p6 and 4d10, again 5s2, then 4f14, like this. So this will be enough till 30. As I have told you already that we are going to discuss here till the 30 elements of the periodic table. Okay, so let us start. The first element is the hydrogen with the atomic number 1. So what will be the electronic configuration of this one? It will be that the electron will be starting filling in the 1s orbital first. So here it is 1s1. Okay, so this is the electronic configuration of hydrogen. Now you can consider the orbital. Like suppose if I say that this is a 1s orbital. So here only one electron is there. That means this will be the 1s orbital and there will be one electron. Okay, like this we are going to fill up. Okay, next is the helium. Helium has 2 electrons. So as we know, the 1s orbital can have 2 electrons in maximum. So here will be 1s2. Okay, now as we are filling the orbitals, we have to keep this one in mind that the 2 electrons, when there are 2 electrons in a particular orbital, there will be up spin one and another one will be down spin. Okay, so this is up spin, this one is down spin. So this is 2s orbital. Okay, and 2s orbital has only one suborbital. That means the 2s or any kind of s orbital, these are orbital, s orbital, p orbital and d orbital, like that. So s orbital only have only one suborbital and there only 2 electrons can present in maximum. Okay, now that is the third one is the lithium. Lithium has the electronic configuration 1s2. As the 1s orbital is filled up, the electron will go to the 2s orbital, 1s2, 2s1. Now what would be the electronic configuration? This is 1s and this will be 2s. As it has only one box, that means only one suborbital. Any kind of s orbital has only one type of suborbital, means only one suborbital. So here 2 electrons and here 1 electron. Okay, then is the beryllium. Beryllium has the atomic number 4. Atomic number means we know that the number of electrons, number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, thereby, and number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. Okay, so if we know the atomic number, then we can go for the electron number also and we can write the electronic configuration. This is very important. So here it would be 1s2, 2s2. 2 electrons here and 2 electrons here. One is up spin and another one is down spin. Okay, next is the boron. 1s2 2s2. As the 2s orbital is filled up, then the electron will go to the 2p orbital. Okay, 2p orbital, 2p1. Now here this 1s orbital will be 2 electrons will be there. This is 1s, then this is the 2s orbital. Now 2p has 3 suborbitals. 2p has 3 suborbitals, or any type of p orbital has 3 suborbital. Now these 3 suborbitals are called px, py and pz. Now once these suborbitals are empty, the electrons will be singly filled up. Like as you can see here, in the 2p orbital only one electron is there. That means here only one electron. Okay, then is that carbon, 1s2 2s2 2p2. Okay, similarly this will be the 1s orbital, this will be the 2s orbital, this is the 2p orbital, and one electron here, one electron here. We cannot write that in px orbital 2 electrons, okay, because as we know, as I have told you, that these are degenerate orbitals. These all have the same energy. All the suborbitals of 2p, or in a particular orbital, the suborbitals will have the same energy, and those are called degenerate orbitals. Okay, now is the nitrogen. This is 7, 1s2 2s2 2p3. Now this will be 2p orbital. Okay, so see, I've just filled s according to the single I have filled up. Like means all are unpaired. As first of all will be unpaired, then the pairing will take place. Okay, so this is the rule we will be discussing in different video. Just I am taking the trick how to write the electronic configuration of the elements starting from 1 to 30. Okay, we'll be doing here for the today, as the video will be very big one, so we'll be doing till neon, that means till 10. In the next video we'll be going for the from atomic number 11 to atomic number 30. Okay, so let us go for the next one. Nitrogen, oxygen. This will be 1s2 2s2 2p6. How many electrons are there? 8 electrons. 1s2 2s2 2p4. 1s orbital, 2s orbital, and this is 2p orbital. 3 suborbitals are there, so it will be filled up singly first, 1 2 3, then the pairing will take place. Okay, now it is fluorine, 1s2 2s2 2p5. Similarly this is 1s orbital, 2 electrons, 2s orbital 2 electrons, and this 2p orbital, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now is the neon, 10 electrons, 1s2 2s2 2p6, 2 electrons, here also 2 electrons, here 2p has 3 suborbital, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the way we can write the electronic configuration. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Okay, so if you have liked the video, please do subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get the notification. Thank you.